Yeah, Josna.
Yeah, Pradeep, can we start the presentation?
Yeah, yeah. Hello, good evening, everyone. Yeah,
Hi everyone, this is Jyotsna here.
hello.
Uh,
Please unmute your microphone so that what you can just introduce yourself first. Yeah, please. Josna, wait
yes,
for a minute. Just introduce, then we can go for this. Stop
definitely,
sharing now.
definitely.
Stop sharing once. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. So this is Pradeep, currently working as a business delivery manager. So we are going to present you the internship program which was offered by the CISPAC trainings. Okay, Josna is the working as a business development manager. She will be taking through the internship program webinar. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, Josna, you can start.
Hi everyone. I can see Blessing, Glad, Lakshmi, Praveen, Aditya. We have many participants joining for today's session. I'm Jyotsna, working in Flipkart training as a business development manager with a career of 10 plus years in my experience. Today, CISPAC Trainings is introducing an internship program for all the graduates who can groom their careers in a more better and effective way. I hope you all can hear my voice very clearly. It is today like it won't be a one way of discussion. Today we all meet together so that we can find different ways like how we can groom ourselves as a professional. Why this internship program is more important for the graduates and the freshers who start their career in a corporate level. As we all know, like our economy is changing daily. We take the talent, skills, and experience needed to be a part of that growth cycle are true. Hope you all agree with me. And we know the job market is a competitive one where we all have to concentrate to get in the corporate level with a more effective talent, what we have to prove to get into our careers. Often that is a tough learning curve for recent graduates. That's the where like Pushpa Training has found to help all the graduates to perform the internship program, which will help them to be the best among many competitors in the current world. There is a big reason behind growth of the applied learning and internship opportunities, why it has become a key part of the college experience for all the students. So here, like we will be discussing about the SISPAC, what SISPAC does, and how we are going to help you with different knowledge where we all can grow together. So what is today's agenda? Like what we will be performing in front of you is SISPAC, how does it groom a student with a high quality of the knowledge? What we are, what's our aim? What SISPAC's vision and mission helps many students across the world to reach us globally. And our ideas for success would be a unique internship program where the design for the internship would be more achievable. Every student can grab the knowledge with the professional increase of the quality of the education and the training with us. We can develop and maintain a positive and winning attitude in a person. As we all know, every journey of success begins with a minute step and a multitude of hard work. We all must agree that the decisions what we take, it will change our career. Our mission towards the students, the professionals, and towards the world. What we do, we create an affordable and effective environment for the students who obtain valuable skills that benefit them in their quest to become working professionals and aid them in achieving a new career. Do you all agree? This would be the leading organization where we will be helping every student to perform well. And our vision is to be trusted and global preferred partners to improve the learning outcomes. So the learning strategy would be implied to every student. So with the up-to-date, updated knowledge would be provided from the start so that they will get into the organization and they will perform their values when they come with a commitment. Let us see the how society gives a groom to the values. It works with the commitment, integrity, sustainability, transparency, patience, accountability, consistency, and we are more transparent towards our knowledge and the work what we do. So every student must be in a position to grab the knowledge in a more easier way so that he can lead the successful career in his or her life. It's been a couple of years like we have been focused globally in clinical research organization where we focus delivering our services and the training with the technology what we produce in a market with the products and the solutions globally and Indian biopharmaceuticals, where we concentrate more on Indian biopharmaceuticals, consumer and medical devices companies. What we provide customized and comprehensive training using innovative and unique approach as per students' requirements. This can be a thing like what we always find the internships, why it has been defined and why every student has to go with this internship. Any official or formal program to provide practical experience for the beginners in an occupation or the professional. The most important element of internship is that they integrate the knowledge and the theory with practical applications and skills. I hope you all must be agreeing with my point because as we all know that the practical sessions which will make us a professionalism where we can be one among the groomed professionals from students where we can start working in an multinational corporate organization. Our training competency, our identity, and our adaptability. So we run the pharmaceutical courses with a high competency. We have many courses here listed. We will be dealing with clinical trials, operations, pharmacovigilance, medical writing, clinical data management, regulatory affairs, computer system validation, and in addition, we will go and we will help every student to perform multiple assessments. We will give a pre-interview preparation. So this is what Dispatch groom with the identity and the adaptability. Let us see what will be the courses and what are we helping the students in an internship program. Definitely, I will let you know before going that. I would like to introduce like why you have to choose us, why every person has to take decision to make their career with a training organization. What we are and why SISPAC is needed for you. We provide owned and managed by medical and pharmaceutical experts. The trainers who all we have, they are well experienced in the industry and they will be the one who will be delivering their knowledge to provide you the best training. We are very much flexible, engaged model. Preparations would be in a high authentical order where you can get the knowledge. We help you with the end-to-end knowledge, what all the trainers have with them, and they definitely cooperate every student to get into a beautiful career. Industrial expert trainers, as I said, we have the trainers around the globe. We have the trainers from US, Germany, Europe, UK. So all around the world, we have industrial expert trainers. What do? We definitely help you with the quality and affordable training. It's true that quality means a lot. So what is this quality? We get quality from everywhere. So what do you think? We bring you a wealth of benefits. We bring the wealth of benefits for every student, both while completing a degree, like completing with your trained certificate. When seeking a career path, your graduation will speak that you have groomed from a student to the professionalism. Let me tell you why this intern is more important. As we know, what is this internship and what courses will be provided to you in this internship. Before I introduce the courses in internship, let me help you out with a few discussions and the knowledge and the survey what CISPAC has done. We worked in a team to provide the interns for the students who are fresh graduates, who are completing their final year of their graduation. There must be a question that what is my next? Every student who will be appearing to their final year, there will be an approach in the mind what I should do after my graduation, where I should make my career. In pharma field, shall I go to a manufacturing organization? Shall I go to a production? Or shall I make my career in a great MNCs where we will have a flexible amount of options to get benefited from the MNC? Why should I make my career in MNC corporate level? Why should I make my career in a production department? Why should I make my career in a manufacturing? Where should I go? These all are the questions always revolve in a fresh graduates who are going to pass out within a couple of months. What is next? Where should I go? I will be fit in a position where I can survive in this world? Do I have that knowledge where I can fight among every student who comes as a participant or be a competitor in an organization? Where I am, definitely we have a solution. We are with you who can prove that you're the one who can enter every aspect of your dream job. Every student, they know their strengths. They have different capabilities in them. One will definitely think that he should make their career, his or her career in pharmacovigilance domain. One student who will definitely have a knowledge in writing, who have a knowledge to read, grab articles, to know more about different prospects, what's happened in the world. So what that student has to grab to make the career? Let us see. Let me help you out why you should choose your career with the internship program. Many students, they apply, they feel the education what we have learned from the college, it's enough for us to fight in the world. It's true, definitely, I agree. The 4 years of the knowledge what you gain in an organization will make you fit. But it's not only you who is outcoming from your institute, who is completing the graduate. It's not only you. You have many among you. You're being out with glimpse of your friends. You have to be one among them. This fact will groom you in such a way that you will be a competitor where you will grab your dream job in the market. This internship will give you a great way to apply your knowledge from the classroom to real world experience. Trust us, learning is one thing what we all know, but taking those skills into the workforce and applying them is a great way to explore different career paths. And we will help you to specialize your individual interests. Note my point here. This fact will definitely help each and every student to specialize that suit their individual interests. We will help you to gain experience and make you a better professional in this leading market. Have you ever thought that internship will give you an experience in the career field before you want to pursue with us? Have you thought this industrial orientation training program, how does it help you? It will not only give you an individual an edge over other candidates when applying for jobs, it also prepares you to be the expert in your field and increase confidence in your work. We are here to support you in all your decisions, in all your steps. We will groom you in such a way that we will give you the best, where you will have the extreme ended professional knowledge before your intern is completed. So let me know the benefits. Let me help you with the benefits with my knowledge, with the working environment. We have been worked in many organizations. After working with many organizations, we felt our knowledge and our experience should give an example and should guide every fresher to build their career in a pharmaceutical and life science industry. How you can build your professional network that can be held in a training program. You will be 1 in 16 or 1 in 20 who will secure a job by connecting with people. How can we help you? We will build your communication skills. We will build in which area you're lagging. Our internship program will provide you a great environment to meet professionals around the world as a trainer. You will be reaching many trainers from us. You will be overviewing their prospects, their careers. We will have a deep discussion about your career with us, and you will have a platform where you can interact with many expertise in this. So how can you make yourself a professionalism? Do you think internship will definitely make you more professionalism? I think you will. You will definitely agree with my point. We provide students with the soft skills, as I informed you, as I told you earlier. How can we do it? We need it in a workplace and we needed a leadership position. How we will assess the students rated with the soft skills? And what is more important to grow technically? Do you think only soft skills will help you to get into the organization? No. Parallelly, you have to fit your technical knowledge as well, such as communication, leadership qualities. We will help you to be a problem solving, and we will give you a teamwork that can be learned through an internship and utilized beyond your experience. We are offering the courses in this internship. We have 5 courses. Let me speak about clinical research operation, pharmacovigilance, medical writing. So what is this clinical research operation? What is pharmacovigilance domain? What is medical writing? As you will be fresh graduate, you don't know where to make your career, in which domain you have to go. What is the demanded domain in the current world where you can survive for a longer period? So we are giving you a package where you all will be more intended to do the internship with five courses which will assess your interest. The time once you complete your internship with SISPAC, you will be taking your decision towards your career, which will give you a long stretch where you can work happily. What is the motto of working? Why do you need to do a job? That's my question. Why every student pursue the graduation? Why we should fight in this world to get employed? Have you ever questioned yourself? That's true that we have to get employed. That's where our education speaks. That's where our investment towards our education for 4 years to be a graduate, what our parents have sustained their whole energy to make us graduate, that will speak. So here we have different streams, as I said. So we have 2 more courses which will be included in this training. So we have clinical data management, computer system validation. So we will be giving you a package where you will have a detailed description towards all the 5 courses. A part of the courses, how we are going to help you. We will help you technically. We will groom you technically. The 4 months of your journey with SISPAC will give you more confidence towards your subject, what you learn. It will speak, your personality will speak with more technical knowledge, communication skills. We will help you to build your CV. And we will give you an analyze, like how you can speak boldly in front of all the professionalism, how you can crack the interview. That all can be discussed in a group discussion. What are the topics what we will be covering in clinical research operations? You can see my screen. So there is few listed topics. We will be dealing with more than these topics, where you can have end-to-end knowledge towards the particular clinical research operation. Coming to the topics of pharmacovigilance. What is the basis of pharmacovigilance which is needed to fight in the industry? Technical aspects related to the pharmacovigilance will be taught to you. End-to-end guidelines, regulations related to pharmacovigilance. ICSR, literature activity, medical coding, MEDRA, so on. You can see on my screen, like you can view all the topics which is much more needed to get into an organization. I hope every pharma student will have a subject pharmacovigilance in their final year. The knowledge what you gain from the book, that would be a theoretical aspect. The internship program will make you more effective in the practical way. We have medical writing in this program. We will help you to protocol writing, the basics of medical writing. What is literature search? How can you go ahead with the literature search? How can you do the publication writing? Regulatory, labeling, medical marketing, and many more topics will be covered in medical writing. Clinical data management. Clinical data management, where you can make your career in designing and implementation. You can come up with the data review, query management. If you have an interest to develop the database involved in the CDM, you will have a clear picture with the course which is included in the internship in clinical data management. See, not only FISPAC will help you with the organization for your intern, but we will help you out too with the professors. What we have the expert level of trainers with us who will give you the theoretical side of your field and hands-on projects. We will assist you with some assignments. We will help you with doing some project, a small project where you will gain more knowledge towards the subject. Let us come with this computer system validation. Have you ever heard pharma students or life science graduates? What is this computer system validation? I have never heard about computer system validation earlier. What all I know that we have openings for pharmacovigilance. I know that we have openings for medical writing, CDM, clinical operations. What is this computer system validation? That's the question in everyone's mind. Have you ever, I think everyone in this world are more addicted to gadgets, if I'm not wrong. We like online shopping. We like to use more applications. Have you ever thought, what is this application, what we are using in our mobile, in industries, in every organization? Have you ever observed that without a system, any corporate world or any manufacturing, any production department is running? Wherever you find a system, you need the applications to be reviewed. You need the applications to be verified. You need the applications, what we are using, it has to be validated. This is one of the interesting programs which is included in your internship, which throws a challenge to shape your career even in an IT field. I know there will be many students who will be in a question that how a pharma student can make the career in an IT. Is it possible? What FISPAC is telling? It is possible. There are many students who want to make their career in even IT. We have a solution. With this computer system validation, you can make your career in such a booming state where you will work in an environment where you will love the work, where you can groom from pharma IT industry. I have a question. Many of the listeners would be having a question. What Jyotsna is telling about? We don't know anything about Java. We don't know about coding. We don't know anything about software. The term computer system validation itself, it tells that we need to work about, we need to know the knowledge of computers, applications. We need to know. That's absolutely wrong. That's absolutely wrong. You need not know the whole knowledge of the system, but the basic knowledge of the system is important to get into your career in computer system validation. I challenge you, there is no one without the basic knowledge of computers, and this lockdown has made us eco-friendly. We are using the laptop, mobile, more than 9 to 10 hours in our daily life. We have practiced, we have stored our books, we have stopped reading the book. We are just in front of mobile and laptop all the 10 to 12 hours. Till now, the last 1 year in this pandemic, something good has happened. It has happened that we all are connected globally. We stopped thinking in our region, but we thought thinking beyond the region. That's what the world is all about. It makes us more inspiring to know new things in the world, to step into something new where you can prove yourself, you can earn yourself. I hope there are many things what we will be covering in this complete internship program. Before that, if you think, how can we help you to gain professional feedback, or how can we help you in these group discussions? How can we help you to develop the skill development program? It's true that every person will have many queries in their mind. This is a certification course for 4 months. The duration will be 4 months. We will run the program online. For every batch, we will stop the enrollment with only 5 students to give you the best. The training program will happen in Zoom meetings, Google Meet from Monday to Friday. The best thing what this fact has been proved in these many years, the support to the students. Whoever joins with us, whoever enrolls their careers with this fact, for a shorter term, for a longer term, they will be with our family. Not for a short term, but it's for a longer term. Though they get settled in their jobs, always they are back to us to get more knowledge, to develop into different domains, to make their career into in a best way. We help everyone to make their career in a progressive way. Figure out what you like and what you don't like. We are free to help you out with more queries. Everybody probably wants to walk away feeling that what we should do, how exciting it would be, how passionate it would be. Trust us, we will give you an excitement, silver lining to be found in our delivery of the technical knowledge. You will enjoy being with Dispatch. You will enjoy the knowledge what you gain from us. You will know like what you don't like. After going with the internship program, you will figure out what is your interesting domain, where you cannot waste your time in looking out for years together. Within short term, within 4 months, you will come to know the best way where you can build your career. Figuring out what type of job you don't want while you're interning can help you prevent you from accepting an ill-fitting job when you graduate. Somewhere where you feel like I cannot work, you cannot work more than a year. Trust us, what we have done to many students, we have made them to live there, get their dream job. We have given our support such that globally every student reaches, even for taking the career decisions for a while, for a longer term, they just have many questions in their head and they seek our help. We provide them end-to-end solutions with their problems, knowing, getting connected very closely to them. We help them in such a way where they can build their career. let me be very free with you. The 5 topics will be covered in this intern program. One is clinical research operations, one is pharmacovigilance, one is medical writing, one is clinical data management, one is computer system validation. Among the 5 courses, along with these 5 courses, we will groom you with many things what I have committed before, where it's not, the words will speak, your experience will make you understand. Only your experience with research will tell you in which level you have reached, where you are, what you have to do. There are many things what I wanted to help you with. What is this? If you are more excited to know, let us open for queries where you can go ahead with the queries and let us know your intention. Whatever queries it is, we will help you accordingly. Make yourself the best in the market so that you can, without wasting your time, you can grab your dream job. Think it if you're a fresher, think it if you're pursuing your final year, that is the best time where you can start doing this intern. Before you get graduated, you will be having a streamlined, figured out structure in front of you. Without wasting your time, you can quick jump to start up your career with your dream domain. For a longer period, you will sustain in your dream domain. That is why SysPact is introducing throughout a package of 5 courses for 4 months. And it is a certification program. The certification will give you a value in the market. Every HR, every technical person want to know from the student what you have done. Do you have any experience? How can a fresher get experience? That is my question. How could a fresher get an experience in the world? He has to step into an organization to get experience. If a student fails to get a job, a graduate fails to get a job within an year, trust me, the graduate is going to face many challenges. Many challenges. It's not that easy to make yourself more professionalism after 1 year. Think of your parents who have invested in your organization, in your whole career. Think of your parents who have invested in your career and who want to see you being in a independent person who can earn for yourself. What is that you're giving to your parents? Have you ever questioned? If you are not getting job after your graduate, what is the answer you will be giving to your parents? What is the answer you will be giving to your college lecturers, professors? What is the meaning that you have wasted your time of 4 years? And how a fresher will be expected with a industrial knowledge? That's true, it's a competitive world. Every professional, every technical, every person needs to invest or to decrease the term of training period in every industry. If you're having an experience or if you're committing with this industrial orientation training program, that's it. You have the full-fledged knowledge to grab that particular position where you apply for the job. Just compare yourself with the person who is not trained, and you being trained under one of the organization or one of the institute where you will be having input of the industry. When you both attend an interview, 100% you will be the one who will be grabbing the job. The only way you will be grabbing the job is the confidence what you speak with the subject line. It is where you have to build. You make yourself in such a way so that you will be in a position to grab the opportunities in the present world. Invest in your future. Invest in your future. With less time, you will be gaining as a salary to your investment. You can just see within short time you will be earning the invested amount as your package, salary package. So nothing would be wasted when you plan properly or invest in the right training for you. I hope we should start discussing so that I could help you in a more better way, or where in which area or where you're lagging or how we can help you out. And I need to know from each and every participant so that it would be very much useful. And how does skill development, the professional internship certification will play a unique role while applying for a job? How we will discuss more, and this is definitely a design and prepared, keeping every graduate in our mind that they should not face any issues after completion of their graduate, or before they get passed out within a couple of months. They all should think that they should get trained in a technical way. And what we really do with our students, what we do is we list their abilities, we guide them in their career. As I told you, definitely you will be connected to many globally world expertise industrial trainers who have completed 15 to 16 plus years in the industry. I hope everyone would be more aware of the guest lecturers, guest professors who have more experience in modifying, refining the subject in a colleges. So here, like the experts will give you the input of their career, what they have faced the challenges in bringing up their career with the technical aspects. Those inputs are very much essential for you to work in an industry. The best thing we offer to every student is we offer terms of payment. We just offer terms of payment so that no student will face issues in paying. Trust us, we have helped or we have given a chance to many students in this pandemic situation with their problems, and we have helped them to get the job. Like, we supported them, all our support was there. The only way they developed is they made themselves joining with this path.
Hello.
They have taken their, yes,
Yeah,
Pradeep.
sorry to interrupt you, Josna. Actually, I think we can, look into the track record also, whatever we have, trained the people, and
Definitely, yes. Yes.
yeah, they have some
I'm
idea
just
on
going
that as
to
well.
come, yeah, yes. So we have we have a great recent achievement to show. In the only in this pandemic situation, you can see our students who got placed with our support in ISSC is Mr. Naveen, who is a B Pharmacy graduate who got placed in ISSC. We have Lalita Manasa, who got placed in IQVIA, and he is Mr. Bharat, who got placed in Cognizant Technology Solutions. We have many more here who have made their career with the support from CISPAT training.
Yeah, sorry
So
to
we
interrupt you,
had,
Josna. Adding to Josna inputs, just want to tell you that so this is a a career-oriented program, and which will help you to get the best of the guidance. And these are all the people, students who got placed in various MNCs across India. Okay, so yeah, I think now, Josna, we can move on to the
we
Q&A
can give
session from
them,
the
yes,
people.
yeah, definitely, definitely. We will go with the interaction with the participants so that we can make their queries solved, and we will have their discussion with them so that we can get their points, and wherever we can see, we can help them. Thank you so much for your patience, and we will go with the queries.
Yeah. Uh, Yeah, that was a wonderful presentation, Josna. Thank you so much. Now it's time for question and answer. So whatever doubts or whatever queries you have, please ask us. We'll try to clarify your doubts. Yeah, please unmute your microphones so that we'll be able to hear you. So that please take it as an opportunity and interact with us so that this will be a great experience for you. Yeah, thank you everyone. Yeah, please. Yeah, please, no questions from anyone? Hello, is that right? No questions from anyone? No doubts, no clarifications? Please.
Sir, is this internship program paid or unpaid?
Yeah, actually it is a paid internship program, but you are going to place in MNCs, place in the sense we are going to guide you with all the support. Okay, and remember this is a placement assistance and placement support we are going to give you, because we are going to provide you all kind of support. We are going to provide with mock interviews. We are going to conduct all kind of pre-interview preparations. Everything we are going to support you in this career oriented program.
So, may I know with whom I'm speaking? Can you please introduce me with your name and your educational qualification so that it would be easier for us to guide you?
Okay, I'm a fourth year PharmD student.
Yeah, hi. Can I know your name, please?
Kerala.
You're from Kerala.
Yeah. But I'm studying in Karnataka.
Okay, you're studying in Karnataka. Fine, that's great. It would be easier for me if you can help me with your name so that we can have a good interaction. Can I know your name, please?
Okay, my name is Gladys.
Gladys. Okay, hi Gladys. Good
Hi.
evening. That's a great
Good evening.
approach from your end, and I can see that you are a final year PharmD student, if I'm not wrong. See, this internship, what we have planned for the students, especially for the final year graduates, because our intention after having a long survey we have decided to reach out to many freshers and the final year students. The only reason they should not strive hard for getting the job in the market. So this is a paid internship in which we are providing you with 5 different courses for 4 months. So 4 months time, we will help you with all the technical knowledge as I have provided you in the webinar in the couple of minutes before. What are the 5 courses what we will be offering you? So those are the main domain courses where you will be enthusiastically looking for the job, where you would definitely reach out to make your career in. So you will be with us for 4 months, and it is a paid internship where you have, if you're really more interested, you can call us. We will help you out with the structure of the payment, and it is very flexible that the internship program amount will definitely reach every student, and it is very easy for you to understand the prospect why this internship is important. Gladys, just you can go ahead with these topics. We will be I will be helping you out with the brochure also. You can look the brochure and you can take the decision. If you are more interested to tie up with dispatch training for the internship program, it's our pleasure to have you. You can call us and we can see like how we can tie up, and you want to pursue right away. So this would be the right time for you to take a decision.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Right. Thank you, Gladys.
Gladys, just
The
want to add
participants,
to
please.
Josna points. Actually, why I am telling you, because I am I worked as pharmacovigilance, so I am having around 10 plus years of work experience in pharmacovigilance and clinical research. So myself, Pradeep, so I'm not a pharma graduate. I'm a non-pharma. My qualification is MSc biochemistry. So I choose a career in pharmacovigilance. Okay, so currently the based on the industry standards, everything we take into perspective, and we design this course so that the opportunities are there, and opportunities are limited, because the reason is we are going to offer you multiple courses. If you want to choose a career in pharmacovigilance, we have. If you want to choose a career in clinical trial operations, we have. If you want to choose a career in medical writing, we have. And data management, we have. Added to that computer system validation, so which was added bonus to you. So currently the market is in such a way that theoretical is important, but at the same time practical is more important than theoretical. So based on all the ingredients, we have designed this course which will help each and every student who are looking for job in the pharma industry. Thank you.
Yeah, any more queries from the participants?
No queries from anyone except Gladys? No doubts? Okay. So, Josna, I think you can announce the price for this. I think you did not, told the.
Definitely. Yes. Yeah,
Yes.
hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I am Anjali. Even I'm studying PharmD. So I would like to know, you told the internship program is for 4 months. So when exactly is this gonna start? Because we are having exams. Exams are coming up. So like if we are interested also, like we need to arrange the timings, right? So that's why we asked like when will be the internship program commencing.
Mhm. Definitely. Anjali, we have more batches running now for this internship program. We will give you time, and it's being launched from 15th of February. There will be a flow with the batches. So whenever, whatever would be the feasible time, or you can call us and you can let us know when your exams will start and what would be your free time and when it is going to wind off, you will be winding off with your exams. You can tell us so that accordingly we can help you with taking up the session.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Any more queries? The cost for the internship program, it is the fee for the internship program for 4 months, it is 50,000. And there are a few flexibilities what we really provide to all the interested students. So everything is depends upon the interest of the students who would really like to nurture their career, and SISPAC would definitely help them. So you can reach us and you can call us to this number. So that our registered office is in Hyderabad, Kondapur, and you can reach us to India number. It's 910-085-7403. There are many more benefits you will be getting. So reach us with your interest so that we can help you with the registrations and we can guide you properly for this internship program. Thank you. Is there any more queries from anyone, the participants?
Yeah. No more doubts from anyone? Hello? No more doubts from anyone?
No, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
If
Joseph, I think,
anyone is interested to know more about the computer system validation course for how it will help the pharma students, we can guide you. If you would like to know it now, or if you would like to call us and you can, if you want to know, everything is fine with us. Yeah, Pradeep, you would like me to give a gist for computer system validation, what exactly it will be for pharma IT department?
yeah, absolutely. Yes. 2 more minutes, so you can, give brief on that.
Definitely, every individual graduate would be knowing the terminologies for pharmacovigilance, clinical research operations, clinical data management. So every word would be very much easier for you to know the terms here. So what exactly we are looking to help you out is in a way like a way you can even build your career in computers, like in IT field as well. So like how this computer system validation will fetch you with a more effective competing world. How can you build your career in this computer system validation? What exactly you will be doing, and what does this term mean? How it will be very much useful for the pharma or the life science graduation. I would like to I will help you out with the more in a briefer way so that you can make sure like you can, if you have more interest, anyways that is included in this package, you will have a very good knowledge explorer for this computer system validation when you register yourself in the internship program with us. So here, like, what is computer system validation? That is really one of the fantastic questions like every person will be having in the mind. What exactly I need to do? Do I need to do some programming, coding, as I already informed you? See, pharmaceutical, as you know, pharma is growing rapidly now in the market, and this 1 year has proved that the world will not serve without pharmacy, like medical, food, and the basic needs. What is needed in the world for a world, what is much needed, we have come to know. So pharma has grown its own pace, and it will be growing, no doubt about that. And as you know, like every organization, parallelly in a pharma department, every organization will definitely have a IT recruiter with them who will be validating the process. They are known as validation experts, quality analyst job, business analyst job. If you have heard searching for these terms, you will come to know that what plays a major role, what usually these all people do. So this is where they work with computer validation experts. In this validation, they document the process of assuring that all the system does exactly what is designed to do in a consistent and reproducible manner. So computer system validation will help you more to analyze the application, to form to assess where the risk is there, to fill the gaps in between, and what all the pharma people like production and manufacturing department, and even in software IT, pharma IT, what they really do is they will be issuing with more warning letters if the application is not perfectly designed or if it is not completely validated. So here what we need to work out, and parallelly pharma and IT, they both will be working parallelly to find out the risk and the gap wherever it is, so that it is really it will be an interesting topic to learn, to case study, and to do some machine work, like you will be having patient data and you need to form in a these all are regulatory agencies. In a very easier way, you can say that it is regulatory agencies, like you can have more knowledge in FDA, European and Indian regulations, and it is one of the best topics. Definitely you will enjoy it. So keep searching for the knowledge, and if you have interest, definitely this will fetch you in a IT field as well, so that you will be a person capable enough to work in IT, and where you can make your career in a very competitive way. And even the salaries would be the best part, where you can earn more. So the package of internship will make you to be the best professionals in the market. Okay, then thank you so much.
Yeah, I think Josna, we can conclude this webinar, I guess. So if anyone don't have any doubts, so yeah, that's it for the day. So yeah, anyone any doubts? One final time. No doubts? Okay, then. Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Thank you very much. Yeah, you can call us anytime, and we will be helping you out with a more structured way for you. Thank you.
Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye, Josna.
Yeah, bye. Bye, Pradeep. Thank you, Pradeep, for giving me an opportunity. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.